Hey guys, welcome to this episode of Healthy Living with Tosin. So this week I'll be showing you how to make homemade cashew milk. Yes, before we dive into this week's video, first of all, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do so, and welcome to my new subscribers. I see you all. Thank you all for keeping it real with me on this channel. Here are some of the benefits of cashew nuts. For me, I love cashew nuts, and this is one of the healthiest nuts you can find in any store or supermarket in Lagos. Yes, it's quite pricey. I said affordable earlier, but you can find it at different rates depending on your location in Lagos. It is possible to purchase cashew raw, roasted, or cashews that have been seasoned with various flavors. So here are some of the benefits. Cashews are fantastic in making vegan cream. They are rich in protein. It helps to boost your immune system. Cashews are an excellent source of antioxidant. They contain no cholesterol. Eating cashew lowers your risk of gallstones. Here are the tools you need to make your homemade cashew milk. You need a glass bottle or a glass jar to preserve your milk. You need a bowl to soak your nuts. You need a bottle of water, raw cashew nuts, and a high-speed blender. So now you soak the nuts in a bowl for about 2 hours or more, and this is just to make the nuts softer when blended. Now it's time to blend, and make sure that you blend the nut until it comes out very creamy. Here is the final result when you blend until it's smooth. Now it's time for us to pour our milk in a glass jar or bottle, and the reason why is because it helps the milk last longer, other than having it in a plastic bottle. So our advice for those who are watching, please get yourself a glass bottle or a jar container that can help you preserve your homemade content. With cashew nut milk, there are a lot of things that you can do with this. You can actually make your cereals with this. You can make a smoothie. You can cook with this. You can also bake with your milk, and preserving it in a bottle also helps it last longer in the refrigerator. So for those who are watching, I hope you've learned something today, and this is one of the easiest way you can make your own plant-based milk in your kitchen. So guys, we've come to the end of this episode, and I want to say thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your community on social, and drop a comment. I'll see you guys next time. Until then, bye for now.